Hey, what's going on? Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nova, Kamikaze Kane, back with another fingerboard project this time. What I'm doing is I'm putting together a shadow box of fingerboards for my wife for our anniversary. What a wife, right? And she actually lets you fingerboard and spend your time trying to make videos. So I came across Eggz FB doing a shadow box, some of his boards that he really liked, so we could have them on display.
And for the result, voila.
So I did find the one that he used from IKEA. This is a 5x7 frame, and then I got a smaller 4x6 for myself. But the big deal is what I got from my wife. Okay, we both liked skateboarding back when we were younger and stuff like that. You know, anytime skateboard crosses over with other things that you like too is like really cool, right? So my wife was really into, still is, Sanrio. One of her favorite characters is Choco Cat. Years and years ago, Chocolate did a collaboration with them. We had the boards, and we used to have the boards in our room. We moved out. Right now we're living RV life, so you know we're just playing it by ear. So I reached out to Board Kennel, and I had Board Kennel make those same decks into fingerboards for me. And super excited to see. I saw the pictures of them and I'd like to share them, and then you know, we'll get to work on this project and put them together. Oh my gosh. So got that one, and got that one. So these are the three same boards that I got my wife. Picked these up for her for our anniversary because, you know, we don't have a lot of room to display the actual physical large skateboards anymore. They're all put in storage somewhere. So I thought it would be cool to add those into here, and then she could actually see them. Cool too, and then I get to look over at them too and see more fingerboard stuff in our room. Man, he hooked it up. He came through really quick and knocked this out. But I also got a different background too. I had my buddy Danny made these for me. I had found a Choco Cat pattern online, and then he kind of just, you know, made it a little more seamless for me because I had a big Choco Cat stuck in the middle. And so I just got my own, so this is gonna go in the background. If I can get a better sheet of paper and get it reprinted, I'm gonna do that. But for now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this together. So I went and grabbed some Legos, thinking about maybe I could put them underneath it and prop it up just a little bit. And this is automotive double-sided tape, so this like works on things for your car. We use it for something on my wife's truck one time, and it's come in handy for all types of other projects. So we got that all done up. All right, here it is. I think my wife's gonna love it. Happy anniversary. But overall, that's cool. Big shout out to Board Kennel for helping work on this for me and make it happen. Super excited. Links for him down in the description. Eggz FB. And I also saw Mike from Variant Decks. He puts his own boards that he makes for fingerboards. That's where I got and where I saw these things at. So, you know, I'll give him the props. And good looking out for, you know, giving that inspiration for a special time of the year. If you know, if you want to get away with trying to give your wife a fingerboard, go ahead and try. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. And then I went back and made daddy his real quick. Busted out that Chems board that I said in the last video. That's what I planned on doing and stuff, so I did it. I had that cool rubber grip tape. I used to use that on my fingerboards when I first started. You know, I like doing stuff when I say I'm gonna do it, and I did it. Happy anniversary to my wife and myself as well, you know. Congratulations, guys. We did it. We've done it. We're still doing it. So, you know, good job. And here we go. Something for us.
3,000 years later.
So basically, after I was done shooting everything, I wasn't super happy with the way it came out. So I went to CCS online and ordered some custom grip tape. I even put like my logo and an extra picture on there. And I think it printed out perfect. You know, what I was expecting, a little extra texture to it. And it looks cool, all set up, done again, and here we go. Yeah, I think it looks really cool. I like that it's a little off whitish, and yeah, it was easy to do. I got that rubber grip tape there. I got that real life grip tape right there, and yeah, that's cool. Overall, super satisfied. Love the way that it came out. I can't wait to give this to my wife for our 8-year anniversary. And I hope she enjoys it. If you guys like it, hit that subscribe button and get ready for some more fingerboard and fingerboard related action. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you, babe.